Dear students, today we will be studying about the business letter writing. Business letter writing is equally important for students and business community. The companies write a letter to their clients. Clients reply. In the same fashion, the process continues. So, business letter writing is important from both point of view, from learning point of view, and for the professional point of view. It is equally important for the workers, entrepreneurs who are working in companies. Essentials for effective communication. Business letter writing is a cornerstone of formal communication between business and clients in India and globally. These letters create a permanent professional record serving as a critical skill for establishing credibility and fostering a strong relationships. The impact of business letters, diverse applications used for formal communication like orders, inquiries, complaints, and building goodwill. If you have to order and for some item, you are writing the order letters, then inquiries you make about the particular item, and you are lodging the complaints if you there is any defect in the item, and for building goodwill among the buyer and the seller. Building trust, crucial for bringing and maintaining a company's reputation and trust with stakeholders. Formal documentation conveys a sense of formality and seriousness compared to emails or casual calls, creating official records. Anatomy of a business letter, heading, letterhead, company details, and logo will be there. Date essential for record keeping, day, month, year format often preferred. Reference number for internal tracking and easy retrieval. You give some reference number to the letter. Inside address, recipient's full name, title, and address. Subject line clearly states the letter's purpose for quick understanding. To write the subject in the middle of the page. Salutation, formal greetings, for example, dear Mr., Miss, Sir, Madam. Body, structure, introduction, detailed content, add a concluding paragraph. Complimentary close, professional closing, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Signature, sender's handwritten signature, name and designation. Enclosures like lists of attached documents in support, that is called also supporting documents. Copy circulation indicates others who received a copy. Cultivating professional tone, formal and clear. Maintain a formal yet clear, concise language throughout the letter. Respectful tone. Always convey respect and courtesy in your writing, reflecting professionalism. Plain English. Avoid technical jargon and acronyms. Use simple, understandable English. Audience tailoring. Adjust your writing style to suit the specific relationship and audience of the letter. The seven C's of effective communication. Conciseness. Get straight to the point, avoiding unnecessary words. Clarity. Use simple, direct language to ensure easy understanding. Courtesy. Be polite, respectful, and friendly in your communication. Consideration. Think from reader's perspective and adapt your message accordingly. Completeness. Provide all necessary information for the reader to take action. Correctness. Ensure factual accuracy, proper grammar, and punctuation. Correctness. Be specific, detailed, and factual rather than vague. Indian business letter formatting. Date placement often aligned to the right in the formats like 16th May 2025 or 6/5/25. Reference number typically positioned above the subject line for easy tracking. Subject line placed after the salutation and before the main body, unlike some other styles. Complementary clause aligned either left or right depending on company's preference. Sender's name placed directly below the complementary clause. Titles use of traditional titles such as Sri, Srimati, Doctor, Mr., Miss is common and appropriate. Varieties of business correspondence. Business letters serve various critical functions from initial inquiries and formal order placements to handling complaints, expressing apologies, and promoting services. Each type carries its unique purpose and requires a specific content and tone. Key sample elements Indian context, reference like this date, subject, sales presentation, dear Mrs. Kumar. This letter confirms the details of our upcoming sales presentation on date at time in location. We will be showcasing our latest product line designed to enhance your operational efficiency. Included, you will find our product brochure and a detailed agenda. Please feel free to contact us for any further clarification or to confirm your attendance. Yours sincerely, Ramesh Singh, Regional Sales Manager, Enclosure Brochure Agenda. Craft, crafting impactful business letters. Pre-write planning. Always plan your message and outline key points before you begin writing. A structured content. Use short paragraphs and bullet points for readability, especially for complex information. Rigorous proofreading. Meticulously check for spelling, grammar, and factual errors to maintain a professionalism. Concise length. Aim to keep letters to a single page whenever possible for efficiency. Professional presentation. Enjoy professional fonts and maintain standard margins for a polished appearances. Mastering business letter writing. Effective business letter writing is a valuable asset in professional world. By understanding the core components, adhering to the seven C's of communication, and adapting to cultural nuances like those in India, you can significantly enhance your business relationships. Familiarize yourself with all parts of formatting specifics. Apply the seven C's for clear, courteous, and complete communication. Adapt your style to suit the unique characteristics of Indian business culture. Regular practice will build confidence and refine your professional writing skills. Ultimately, the well crafted letters reinforce trust and strengthen business relationship.